I don't know. I think there's coins in there. That sounds like
jacks. Like, you know that game?
I don't want to break it, but.
Okay, do you guys know what you're doing today?
What are we doing?
We're doing the eBay mystery box.
I'm a little nervous.
I am nervous too. What?
It's a little.
I don't know. What if it ends up being like a map somewhere? I don't know.
It can be anything.
It is.
I don't know. I think there's coins in there. That sounds like
jacks. Like, you know that game?
I don't want to break it, but.
Shake it. I bet it's a bunch of magazines. I don't know.
This
particular box came from Newburgh, New York. Well, that's exciting though.
Something artsy for sure.
They're on the East Coast. We are on the West Coast, California. So thank you for this box, Newburgh.
I know. Anticipation is killing me, kids.
Taped up super well. Good job. Cut my arm.
So is this just like a thing where like you pay it forward? So like, since because you opened a mystery box, you got to make a mystery box?
No, you paid the denomination for the box. You already paid it forward. You paid that person.
Okay.
That's
I kind of want to put
it.
like stuff in a mystery box. I'd put the most random stuff in there.
I would too.
Oh, that's gonna be a lot of stuff, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Here, I'll take the knife.
Yeah, let's not.
So in our box is a curious thing.
So we have a happy face watch.
I like.
Okay. Looks like we have a book here. What is this?
Definitely used.
Is it?
Oh.
Is it definitely used?
The watch is definitely
This
used.
is
The Vanished Man.
Vanished Man.
Someone old made this box.
Somebody old.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if there's any.
Pictures? No pictures. Old.
No. There's no pictures in this book. Useless. No. Okay.
What is it about?
It's about a vanishing man. That's what it's. A man that has vanished.
I guess so.
Okay. Oh, there's a note. We didn't do the note. There's no note. Let's see. It says.
Oh,
They drew a
pictures.
picture of the cat.
This is a person
We
who put a
love
lot of
cats.
How'd they
care
know?
It says-
and thought into this box. Read it out loud. What does it
How do
say?
they know?
It
We
says,
love cats.
Buyer, this is a piece of original art by my husband, Jerry Haight. Enjoy the whole lot. Election
What?
line, aka Chantel. Oh, okay, so this is the artwork. Very nice. Very good. Ta-da!
I like that a lot.
That is cool.
Mm-hmm. Maybe,
Pictures
yeah.
of Folgers. Best part of waking up.
It's a Folgers in your cup.
Oh, I almost tossed this. This is stuff in it. What is that? Napkins.
Class of 2010.
2010.
Okay, so I think this person probably graduated in 2009. That's what I'm getting a feeling.
Office.
It's going up on the door.
Alright, we'll go up on the door. What is this? Oh, closed.
That was also
That
going
was
up on the door.
What is in here? Open this. Ooh, there's something. I almost actually thought that was just wrapping, and I almost just tossed it.
Oh, it is a little mushroom salt shaker.
Nice.
I like that a lot. You know what? This person just knows what's up. They just know exactly what we need.
Oh,
So if we're opening your box, thank you for the blue mushroom salt shaker.
great.
That's what I needed. Like, I know I sound sarcastic saying that, but this is cool.
So we got some earrings. Okay.
This mystery box is like packed.
It's
Like, this is
full of
loaded.
stuff, and it's mysterious.
Super mysterious. What is
Phone
that?
case.
An OtterBox phone case.
What's an OtterBox phone case? Just
This is
the
an
brand?
expensive phone case.
thank you.
Then we have. I don't know. This is.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh!
Tiny little man.
You are now entering the Twilight Zone.
Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna put a disclaimer on this right now. If we put that thing somewhere and it moves, I'm gonna burn it.
It's gone. What else is in here? It's like tiny little art supplies.
That's really cute.
That's adorable. I'm keeping this. This is. Look, there's a little.
I'm having a lot of
sketch. Are you?
This
What
This
do we
is worth
have?
it right
we
here.
Have, like, this. Ooh.
Oh, no.
We actually collect glass bottles. We have a lot of little glass bottles. That is
Leg's
fantastic.
broken.
This leg's broken.
His leg's broken.
It's okay.
It's okay though. He can still stand. There we go.
Oh,
Oh! Show him that.
tiny little. Can you guys see that? Can you focus on that? Look at that. It's adorable. Little art stuff, and we paint and. How to make an antipasto salad. I don't.
Cool.
What's happening?
Oh, okay. A little keychain.
I don't know. I don't.
A vacuum
I
bag,
don't quite
maybe.
know.
I don't
Maybe
know.
a vacuum bag. It's just stick a finger. or Something.
Get that big one out. That big box. See what that is. A box within a box.
I thought it was a barf bag. I don't know what this is.
A Wi-Fi router.
A Wi-Fi router.
You can see that,
I
kids?
think, maybe. Is that what was in there? Can you unbox that?
Yeah. It's a Wi-Fi router.
Oh.
With the startup CD. Wow.
See?
There's like still things coming out of this
I know.
box.
I know.
It's crazy.
Look, open sign to go with our
That's not
clothes.
gonna go on our door. We're never open.
We're not open. Ever. Just a bag.
Well, that's helpful because we have like the no bag rule in
We
California
do.
now.
Actually, thank you. Perfect.
Because we can never remember our
We
bags.
don't have bags. We're not allowed bags here in California anymore.
Oh, we are. You just gotta pay.
Yeah, you just got to pay for them.
Gotta pay for the bags here.
10 cents a bag. Where are we going in?
You know what?
Could have used these. Yes.
So yesterday, we have like Harry Potter movie nights, and this would have come in handy.
Really?
We could have really used this. Oh look, and it even has it. Oh, that's kind of cute. All right, so it's got like a dash. This is how much a dash would be.
Oh.
A nip. A smidgen.
Smidgen.
And a pinch. All would have been wonderful. So now we can have that for next Harry Potter night.
Okay. Bottle caps.
all right.
Okay.
I'm sure some of
Okay.
these are
And then
Guinness.
last but not least, we got a fancy necklace. Would you look at that?
Is it empty?
It is empty.
Okay, so we have done the unboxing. How much do you think it was all worth? How much do you think that mystery box cost?
Mm.
Can I just say, first of all, that I'm happy that there was a lot of things crammed into this mystery box, as opposed to just one thing.
True. I'm glad it
And-
wasn't like a broken iPhone.
Yeah, it made it exciting. Like, ooh, what are we gonna pop out next? But I'm still gonna have to say this was someone's probably belongings that they just kind of they don't really need anymore, and I'm gonna still have to say probably around $60 is gonna be my estimate for all this stuff.
I'm gonna go with like 35.
It was 50.
Oh,
It's a $50 mystery box.
All right.
And do
What?
you guys have a favorite? Is there a favorite thing that came out of here?
I really like the little sketch pad thing and tiny little
I gotta.
colors. But there's so much stuff. And this bottle I'm keeping. I'm not even joking. This bottle I'm keeping. And that goes,
I just like this.
that
thing.
goes to your house for next Harry Potter night.
So next time I need a dash of like cinnamon or something, I know that this is a dash. This is the exact measurement of a dash right here. I thought this was really cool.
This is a trend that has been going on YouTube, and you guys can get these boxes anywhere from $15 all the way up to $300,000 worth of a box. And this was fun. This is fun. This is like gambling, but you actually get stuff. I mean, like the last time I went to Vegas, put $50 inside of a machine and it gave me nothing but tears.
Do it. I say just do it. It'll make for an interesting night. Also, if you guys have opened a mystery box, let us know in the comments below what was inside of it. We would be very interested to know what would be in there. But yeah, no, this was a good time.
This was. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Keep up on all our adventures. There's no adventure too big or too small for Fractured Compass. Stay weird, America. Bye-bye.